Total force training is crucial for readiness because most of our Guard and Reserve counterparts deployed to the Middle East or CONUS installations, they don't get to see the Pacific Theater as often or at all. My name is Senior Master Sgt. James Mulhall, and I'm the Installation Emergency Manager and Misawa CEX Flight Chief. My role is to serve as WIT, or Wing Inspection Team, during the exercise, and that is to execute all DLO's desired learning objectives to attain CBRN training and CBRN effects for this wartime scenario. When the total force arrived here, one of the training pieces I tried to impart upon them is that 2027 is a frequently used term, but it's not a term that we use here. We believe that we're in constant readiness and preparedness for an ultimate conflict, and to realize that their integration in our mission is the only way we can win the war in the future. I think some of the challenges that we encounter for CBRN execution in the exercise in the Pacific is recognizing that this is a life we live, and getting all the players to understand that wearing their gas masks and their MOC gear for extended periods of time is important. We need to become more comfortable with being uncomfortable and realize that when the MOC gear will be worn in the future, it's going to be worn for hours and hours and not just small segments of time during an exercise. I believe those folks joining our team has showcased that they are equipped, they are trained, and are willing to join the mission at a moment's notice. And I have no doubt that if the worst case scenario happens, they'll be here to help us out. Without CBRN techs, we don't know what is ground truth. We don't know what agents are on the ground, and we can't figure out or help the base know what threats they may face. During this exercise, CBRN is a vital piece of the exercise. It's not something that should be taken lightly. When our enemies, hopefully not, but if our enemies use chemical warfare agents in the future, we need the base populace to understand that the tactical and technical effects that my team performs across the base ensures the base safety and ensures we can execute the base's mission in a wartime environment with chemical agents on the ground. This is the second exercise where we integrated total force CBRN techs. I think it's important to continue doing this in the future. Our adversaries definitely mine our data and see what we're doing. If they can see the importance that the active duty members in PACAF place upon the war by bringing in total force members from the States and multiple installations in the States, they can see that we are definitely putting a presence and an importance on the mission here. I think it also shows that without our Guard and Reserve members, there's no way we can do this alone. Total force integration shows that we are in it to win it.